welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I have got a witch casket unboxing for you all, and it's a little bit of a late one. I have got about 5 or 6 of these to film all in one go, and I'm going to get them done and I'm going to get them up for you. And this is February's box. I know, right? So let's just get straight into it. It's looking a little bit pink inside this box, which I'm quite excited about, if I do say so myself. So let's get in and see what we've got today. So I'm not going to bother reading everything out. We don't get prices or anything, so I'm just going to take them out. If there's anything I'm not sure what it is, then I will have a read and we can see. But the first thing I'm seeing is self-love bath ritual. I haven't used any of these rituals from launches yet. I'm super lame. However, I've got some really important updates coming for you guys, and I definitely think that there's going to be some changes coming to this channel, and I think there's going to be more uploads, and I'm just going to leave it at that because I really need to film this update video for you guys. Oh, it smells nice. So we've got lemon balm, dried rose petals, rose quartz. We've got a crystal in here. Oh, we've got little rose quartz crystals. I wasn't expecting that. That's cute. Rose quartz crystals and a bath pouch. I'm definitely going to do this one. I feel like this would be a really good one to do a video for. I'm just going to pop everything on there so it's out of the way. Okay, so let's open this. I think I've already opened this one so we can have a little look. So we have got, if I can get into it, self-love in magic. Self-love is really important. So we've got charm bags, positive vibe jar, affirmations, herbal teas, crystals. So everything that we need for a bit of self-love on here. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Cute. What else have we got? Ooh, we've got a pendulum. This is, from the looks of it, rose quartz. I would expect it to be rose quartz because of the box. Let's have a look. Hold the chain between your thumb and forefinger, hand the pendulum over the centre of your pendulum cloth. It doesn't actually say on it that it's a rose quartz one, but it is. It's a very pale rose quartz though. However, let me just check on here. Rose quartz crystal pendulum. So I really want it to focus for you guys, but I don't know how to do it now. Wait, where's the box? There it is. There we go. How cute is that? Love it. So we'll put that back in here for now. And I will pop that back in as well. So we've got a rose quartz crystal pendulum there. What else have we got? What's this? Oh, this could go on the thing behind me. So this is your pendulum cloth. Oh, I'm super excited about this box already. So this is a pendulum pendulum cloth. So you've got all your answers there. I definitely feel a video coming for this as well. Oh guys, I think I'm getting a headache. I've got a really bad knot here in my neck, and it's really hurting me. A little bit sad about it. Oh, what's this? A self-love deck. We've got like a pack. Sorry, I'm not even showing you what I've got. I'm just too excited to open it myself. Got like a pack of cards. What have we got? Just like, oh, we've just got some nice little quotes. So, hold your head up high and be proud of who you are. Let go of the past with nothing but thanks for the lessons learned. Wow, the irony. Wow. Okay. You are not stuck and you have the power to move forwards. This is freaking me out a little bit, so I'm going to put this down because I feel like this is a private moment for me and the cards to have later on. But that's a cute little pack of cards. How many minutes have we been filming? Okay, we're good, we've got plenty of time. I just don't want to make these videos really much longer than 10 minutes, but just with them being so many of them to film. And there only being so many hours in the day. So what have we got next? What have we got? I've got a hair on my lip and it's really annoying me. I'm trying to just ignore it. Hopefully you can't see it. It's still there. Oh, we've got some tea. So we've got some rose. What the hell does that say? Kongu. Rose Kongu loose tea leaves from Tea Cakes of York. See, my problem is we get this in every box, but I think you have to have a special tea filtery like thing that you put it in, which I don't have, but I will get one so that I can actually try all these different teas out. So that's that. What's this? Oh, self-love club. That's actually super cute. So we just got a little badge there. I'm hoping you can see it properly. It's difficult with the light, but yeah, that's so cute. I love it. Little pin. Is it a badge? Is it a brooch? Is it a pin? Let me know down below what you would call it. I'd call it a badge. Like it's a badge, but I don't know. People call these things different things. What have we got? What is that? Oh, what is that? Love Angel. Oh, is that what it's called? Ooh, Love Angel incense sticks. The incense that we get in these boxes is so freaking nice. I'm very sorry, by the way, about the slight strangeness of the lighting. Everything's going to be changing, but I can't tell you much more than that. But for now, we're having to just deal with what we've got. Oh, it's got a very strange smell to it. Can't wait to start burning some incenses. God, I just can't wait for things to start happening now. So we've got the incense there. I'm not sure how many you get. I'm guessing you get like 10 or 20. That's a good, you guys might actually want to know that, might you? So let's find out. How many do we get in here? I reckon 10. 3. Oh no. 3, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. So we get 15 incense sticks in these. It should really say on it, shouldn't it? But I mean, I don't think. Oh, it does. It says 15 sticks. So if I was like able to read like a normal person, I wouldn't have had to just waste my time counting sticks. But never mind, it's done. What we got next? What we got? Oh, what have we got in here? Oh, we got some candles. We've got some candles. Let me guess. These are going to be red or pink. We got some pink candles! I've got like probably every different colour of these now, which is so exciting. But yeah, we just got some cute little pink ones. They feel so good. These are so well made, guys. These are so well made. I will wrap these back up. These will most likely be for, oh, there's literally a hair and it's really annoying me now. These will most likely be for a ritual that is in this box as well. Look, where are we? I feel like I've got everything. Ritual candles, art print. I'm guessing the art print. Oh no, would that have been the cloth? No. So maybe I've lost the art print because it was probably, it's not important. I think it's a card with like a picture on, and I think I might have already taken it out. We have got stone here. This is rhodonite. I can't believe we've got a rhodonite stone. So this is, if you can see it, we can't see it very well, but we got some rhodonite. And I'll read it out to you. The stone of compassion, rhodonite helps you to leave behind emotional baggage and to heal from past experiences. It is believed to help with emotional trauma or shock. A grounding and balancing stone, rhodonite promotes love and healing. Rhodonite is also thought to increase fertility. Well, we don't need that part of it, but other than that, I love it. I love me some rhodonite. It's such a pretty rock. I like it when it's really pink. And that's that one there. And then I think we've just got one more thing from the looks of it. And I have no idea what's in here, so I'm sure, did I open this one? Because this is so old, like I don't remember what's in it. Oh! Can this hold my rhodonite? Oh, this is going to, I just know this is going to be a fertility thing, but I'm just going to show you it all first. How cute is that? Little ornamental thingy. Starchy, and it's like a rose gold colour as well. It's like this box was made for me, isn't it? Like, come on. Ah! Which casket exclusive feminine statue crystal display by Summer something. So, just really quickly, let's see. Let's pop our rhodonite in. Ow! I've got a nail that's literally about to snap off. It's a little bit painful. Ow! It's a little bit painful. I love it! I love it! Okay, okay. I'm excited. So, very, very excited about this. So that is February's box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I don't get that many views on this video, but I think that there are some people who are enjoying them. So I'm hopefully going to keep making them, and we'll just see how it goes for now. But yeah, if you did enjoy, thumbs up, leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you've got this box. Let me know if you know any other witchy subscription box that would be fun, like spiritual and like candles and incense and crystals, especially crystals. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!